Today is a simple lesson on a subject called the properties of exponents. These are properties that allow us to manipulate like bases that have exponents. However, today we're only going to learn 3 of the many that exist. Now, the most important thing is that, in order to accomplish any of these manipulations, the bases of the exponents must be the same. We can use any base, or a variable, so long as they are the same. If you do have like bases, then you can move on to the properties. Now, multiplying exponents is the simplest property, and the first. Its rule is simple. If 2 exponents are multiplied with like bases, then you can add them together, like this. Now let's check that we have like bases. And we do, so all we have to do is add them. So the simplified expression is now x to the 13th. Why don't we see a few more examples? As you can see, multiplying exponents is easy. But what about dividing? Exponents is similar to multiplying, only the opposite. If an exponent term is divided by another with a like base, then you can simply subtract the exponents to get a simplified expression. It looks a little like this. And of course we have like bases, so all we have to do is subtract. So now we have x to the 5th. Easy. Here are some more examples. Now there's one more property to go, so hang in there. This property is a bit more tricky than the last two, although not by much. It merely states that, when one exponential term is raised by another exponent, you multiply the 2 exponents to get your answer. This is called the power of a power property. This property does not require like bases to work either, as there aren't 2 terms, only one raised to another power. Either way, the expression would look like this. We don't have to worry about like bases, so all there's left to do is multiply. So the final expression is x to the 12th. Simple, as always. If you want some more examples, here you are. And those are the 3 simplest properties of the properties of exponents. Multiplying, dividing, and raising exponents is simple, as long as you remember these 3 properties. So make sure not to forget them. You may need them again in the future.